Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me,
And the
Vidal.
field is cold, and I'm wearing my dad's jacket. And we have our special guest today. Okay, guys, we're back to cooking. Wait,
You probably got
people might be thinking it's
Alright guys, we're back from eating our tasty yummy lunch this guy made.
Alright, guys, we finally reached our location. Alright, guys, we finally reached our location.
I know, I'm so excited,
Don't look
bro.
at the view.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Look at this view. Oh my god, the sun. Wow. This is nice,
It's
right?
a little cold though, for me, but I can deal with this.
Man, you think everything's cold.
Alright, so
guys.
we're gonna enjoy over here, play some soccer maybe. It
Bainbridge
says
Island is that way.
Bainbridge Island and Seattle is south. On Puget Sound is over here. Mount Walker is in 24 miles. Kingston 5 miles. We took the ferry over here.
Yeah, that's really close.
Kitsap
Peninsula.
Peninsula. It doesn't say how far.
And that's where it is.
Bro, it was so cold. I had to take out my jacket from the
Bro,
car.
everything's
and put
cold
this.
for you though, but it's fine. It's fine, little bro.
Dude, this sounds actually cold for some
Look at the
reason.
view, bro. The sun, the sand. Okay, do you want to play in the sand later?
Yeah. Okay, so my plan is let's go to the car and get our equipment. We don't have any equipment, but like chair mat,
Set up
change
camp.
my Crocs.
Set up camp and then
Camp.
chill. Get it? All right, let's go. Come on.
Guys, we're back in the car. I'm changing to my Crocs because I don't want my shoes to get dirty and all. And
Yeah.
because we're gonna go play in the sand, so that's why. Let's put this in here.
We?
Yeah, you and me.
Okay. Yeah, I will play. I guess.
What do you mean you guess? Oh. Okay, what else?
Don't you think I'm a little too old
Towel?
for playing in the sand?
No, you're. Faster! Faster! We're heading over.
Faster. First sand of 2026.
First
First
time.
shell of 2026.
Well, it's not that insane, bud. We should go more down. I want to like put my feet in the water. I wanted to swim, but
I thought it was too cold.
okay, let's just go, guys.
Good move.
Mom, I think we should set the chair over here. Dad, the chair should go over here. According to me, guys.
According to him, bro. Why are we listening to a fourth grader?
It'll go on the chair.
Oh, according to my calculus, it's supposed to go on top of the chair.
Same thing. Alright, guys. We're here finally at our location. Sand perfect, water perfect. I know it's cold for me, but it's
just
so
can't resist
tempting. I don't care. I'm going in that water.
Same for the pool, bro.
Come on, guys. If I touch the water with my feet.
That
No, it's not that bad. Oh, never mind. Yeah, I know. Cold. This is the only time I felt cold at the beach, or else I would have been playing right now.
Me too, bro.
Just enjoying the sunset, sitting and drying up.
It's so cold. Cold power. This is the sunset view.
Alright guys, the sun is setting and we're gonna plan to leave in a bit, so I'm happy and I'm sad, but because it's like freezing and like I can't play in the beach. So.
Alright guys, we're leaving this area. It's so cold, but
My feet are literally numb.
the train just left. My feet are cold and the view,
Look at
the
the
sun is
sunset.
setting. Wow.
Look how cool it is.
I guess we'll guys meet you straight at the car. Bye bye.
Fun watching, and we had a fun day today, right? Going to the beach.
Yeah, we played a lot, and I'm so tired. I feel so sleepy.
Yeah, me too, bro. My feet are still numb, so it's fine. But when the car ride, we're gonna get home in a bit. But if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.
Yep.
Check out our other videos.
Stay tuned for like the upcoming videos. So it'll be better, bigger, like
Yeah.
long video and funnier.
Yeah.
So
Comment down what you guys want to see next. So yeah.
until then, guys, we out.
Peace.